Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with reviews, hacks, and tips. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing Kliqqo. Kliqqo is a cloud-based app that can run multiple link tracking campaigns. You can view stats for all your marketing campaigns, add retargeting codes for your links, password protect redirect pages, and split test campaigns. This is a launch that is going to go live on July 5th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it is being launched by Olusegun Phils Omaba. So guys, we're gonna go do a deep dive in this. I've got review access, so we're gonna actually create a campaign. I'm gonna show you all the different features that it has to offer. Also, we're gonna look at my bonuses that are gonna complement this product here. Also, we're gonna look at the vendors bonuses, guys. So, and finally the sales page, and of course the price and all the upsells. So stick with me and let's dive into what Kliqqo has to offer. So guys, if we go to my bonus page here, it says Kliqqo, attention newbies and struggling affiliates. If you aren't link tracking, retargeting, and split testing, you're basically dooming yourself to failure. So this bonus page is gonna go down in 5 days, you guys. So after that, you won't be able to get my bonuses with this particular program here. So what is Kliqqo all about? The fastest way to take your internet marketing to the next level and beyond. Kliqqo is a powerful but extremely easy to use new software program that saves you time and lots of stress and frustration by allowing you to track clicks, redirect links, split tests, and retarget. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go through this later on. There's also a demo video that you can watch on your own time that's going to be in the link provided below with the bonuses. So you can just click on this and you can get a good idea, but we're also going to do a live demo, me and you. Okay, so let me just show you the bonuses that are going to go along with Kliqqo if you decide to purchase through me. So my first bonus is from John Armstrong, who is my mentor. He's allowed me to take these bonuses and present them to you as a way of saying thank you. So the first one, guys, is the Access 7-Minute System. This is a CPA system. CPA, cost per action. So there are networks out there, CPA networks, that will pay you to get your traffic to perform a simple task. It can be either writing your email, maybe entering your phone number, doing a quick survey, and then you can receive anywhere from 50 cents to $2 by these networks for your customers and your traffic completing these. So this is about 15 minutes to set up, and then once it's set up, it's on autopilot. So this is called a 7-minute system because you can actually gain sales in about 7 minutes, as this system has done. So your traffic doesn't need to show their credit card. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to make videos. You don't have to make. You don't have to show your face on a camera. This is a system that can just kind of run on autopilot. Now you're not going to get rich. You might make about $100, 80 to $100 a day, but that's passive income. So why not? I think that's a pretty cool bonus right there. So if you click this link here, you're going to get all the information about it. Okay. The next one, guys, is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So depending on how we write an email, it can either grab the reader's attention or they can just brush it off, right? So this is going to give you 5 really important, just subtle changes that you can make to your email. And you can use this not only on your emails, but how you write your blogs, how you write your titles in your campaigns, how you write your YouTube videos if you're creating YouTube videos. So you can take all this information and you can apply it to everything that you do with your writing, and you can see higher interest, more eyes on your material. Okay, so there's 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. And the next one is Access Jono's Headlines Hacks. Again, this is complementing this, right? Email marketing. So also you're going to learn some tips and tricks how to write more compelling headlines. We are inundated with information every day with our smartphone, right? We're just looking at things, we're scanning, and we are filtering, whether we know it or not, just tons of different information. So we need to be able to stand out. This is going to show you how you can write better headlines, get those eyes on your material, see what you're talking about, take you to your campaign, to your videos, to your blog, to your promotions, all of that stuff. This is going to help you along with that. And another bonus tutorial is the Access JavaScript Commission bot. So this is only going to be here for the first 24 hours only. So I really suggest, if this is a product, Kliqqo is a product that you like, if you want to get this bonus, please do so in the first 24 hours. After that, it will not be available afterwards. Now, JavaScript is a two-part software. So what you're trying to be doing in affiliate marketing, you want to be able to get traffic and you want to be able to present offers. This JavaScript merges those two. So what they do, they found that the capability of getting high focus traffic from Facebook and Instagram, and then offers automatically directs traffic to done for you campaigns. So it's really merging both of these for you. That's, again, only for 24 hours after this launch goes live. So if you want this, please don't wait too long, otherwise it might not be available. And the final bonus, guys, is going to be the Kliqqo, the vendor himself, is going to be providing you some demos, and I'm going to show you what these demos look like, okay? But let's get into, what these bonuses look like. Let's get into the demo now. So guys, here is the dashboard. It's very clean. So here are some tests that have already been done, but we're going to create our own campaign. So let's just go to create campaign. So your default, you're going to want your campaign name. So I'll put in Kliqqo campaign. All right. And then this is where you would put the URL that you want to direct the users to go to. So let's put that in there. And then this, if you want the shortcut URL, this is a generated shortened URL, but it's better, I think, if we can create our own unique URL. So if I just call this Kliqqo, okay, and then it's going to want to check. So we can run a check. Oops, that's wrong. There, Kliqqo. Now if it turns green like this, we're okay. If it doesn't turn green, that means it's already been used. You need to change it. You need to add a number behind it or just make it unique, okay? And we go to split test, enable split test. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 links. So what you can do here, you can test simultaneously 3 different campaigns, or the campaign but with 3 different links, so you can personalize each campaign and you can see the analytics of which one gets more traffic, which one gets more sales, gets more attention. So this is a really cool feature. So right here, you just put your URLs in here. Okay, we can go to tracking. So tracking, what we can do here is we can put the tracking code for Facebook or any other social media either in the head or the body. And what that's going to allow you to do, that is going to also, anybody that clicked on this link before is already going to be, we're going to have their Facebook or whatever link that you chose, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, they're also going to be able to see this new campaign. So that is a really powerful feature in my opinion. Okay, so we've got the OG title, that's Open Graph, not Original Gangster, but it sounds pretty cool. Facebook OG site name, Facebook OG image URL. So you could put all that in here, and this is just gonna, what you put in here, your Facebook OG title, is what the title is gonna be in the campaign in Facebook. Again, the site name will be the same, the image that you use, the URL that you use, the description, everything you enter in here is going to display on that social media. And finally, we have password protection. So you would enter your password, so Kman, and this is the background color. This is just the hash graph that you could enter any color you want. Background image, we have select from library, upload new, or define URL. So if we just look in their library, you can select an image. So you can see they've got a ton of different images here. And we've got loads of different kinds of categories as well. So if I click on beach, say we're doing a campaign that is talking about freedom, financial freedom, or maybe you're talking about a promotion about some kind of holiday. This is maybe an image that you could use, so we could do this. Okay, close that. If you have a logo, you would put it in here as well. Okay, and enter a password to continue. So this, the good part about this is you can offer special bonuses, for example, for your really valued customers. You have a separate category of your valued customers that only they can access through this. They need a password. Or some kind of promotion that you want to be offering, maybe a webinar, whatever it is. But this is a good example of when you can use the password protection. Okay, also it allows you to edit. You have fixed, tiled, repeat vertically, so you can change it any way you want. Enter your password to continue. Button text. Okay, so if we save it, okay, so now here it is. So we can edit it. We can go, so we can see geography wise where it is. We can clone it. We can preview it. So if we just preview it here. Okay, so here we've got the background image. Okay, man, continue. Okay, so this is my website. So that was a link that I put in to take you to my YouTube channel. So it worked very well. It was very easy, as you could see. And again, we can link it. We can test the link. And we have, okay, so guys, I showed you my bonuses. I'm also going to show you now the vendor of Kliqqo's bonuses. So we have bonus number 1. It's going to take you here. So this is going to be Affiliate Pro software. You would just access it right here. Or GeoVisitor software, lead book generator software, Opt ROI software, and paid traffic pack. So right here you would get all these extra bonuses. That's bonus number 1. Also bonus number 2. Geo-targeting, market automation pack, Pinterest marketing pack, split testing pack, social marketing pack. Again, you would just click on any of these as you would with my bonuses. You would also just click on here. So these are my bonuses here, guys. So if you click on any of these buttons here, any of these in this bonus video that I will be putting in the description below, along with the demo video, you can watch that. If you click on any of these, it's going to take you to my bonus page. You can access them right through here. Okay? Okay, I'm going to take you now to the sales page. So this is the gentleman, Olusegun Phils Omaba. Let's go to the top. Again, guys, so this is a sales video. I'm also going to put this in the description below in my YouTube description. So we've read this. So sales dashboard, cloud hosted, super fast, retargeting, unlimited campaigns, split testing, short URL system, detailed statistic, convenient access, password protection at a one-time price. So this is going to, the front end offer is going to be $17, guys, but we're going to look at some of the upsells as well. Okay. So I'm going to take you down. Now he's also got some other bonuses for you as well. So if you order now, you will also receive 4 bonus softwares and 6 unbeatable custom bonuses. Okay. So again, we looked at these: Affiliate Software Pro, GeoVisitor software, lead book generator software. So all of these, as you saw, guys, are located in the clicks. If you click on the Kliqqo, or if you click on my links, you're going to get access to all of these. Okay. So we can see all this value. We're $7,000 plus. But for yours, for 17, the front end. And they have 100 money back guarantee, 100% money back guarantee. If you don't feel like it is living up to what they say it is and you don't like it, you can actually get your money back. So guys, let's go back to my bonus page and we can look at the price, the front end, and all of the upsells that it has to offer. So the front end, like I said, unlimited, $17, but it will go up to $47 if you don't act now or act soon. Access the powerful Kliqqo Pro Unlimited software and training modules. Description and features, cloud-based, so it can work on any platform. Short URL masking, unlimited campaigns, split testing, retargeting, password protection, detailed statistics, mobile responsive. So you can actually do all this on your phone as well. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. So create a full campaign. You can send traffic to a specific link, create a short URL, and more. Split test, use more URLs to find out which marketing messages really work and which ones don't. Retarget, you can have Kliqqo do all the following: capture clicks, redirect your traffic, and deliver your retargeting code. And use secure sites. You can even redirect traffic to a password protected secure URL. So guys, just let me go back. Sorry, the upsells are actually located in this feature. So if you click on it, once you click, you're going to see the front end, and also you're going to get a list of the upsells once you click on the link provided. Okay, so you can click on my link. You can click on my link here, or you can actually go to the sales page and you can click on it right here as well, and that's going to tell you where the different prices and the upsells come in. Okay, so guys, once again, this is link tracking, retargeting, and split testing. We just did a demo. You saw how easy it was. Let me just go back for 1 second here. So if we go on detailed statistics, so you can see general statistics here, total hits, unique hits, country with the most hits, most used browser, most used operating system, best performing date, last time hit. So you're going to get a lot of valuable information. You can decide where to retarget more focused with your money, if you want to do paid ads or just in general, by looking at these statistics here. Unique hits, that was just us. Again, guys, this is going to be done in 5 days. So again, you'll be getting this Access 7-minute system. You'll be getting 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Access Jono's headlines hacks to make those compelling headlines that we talked about. Access JavaScript commission bot. That is when you have the traffic and the offers together, working together, and done for you campaigns. And again, all of the bonuses offered by Kliqqo. Okay, so everyone, this wraps up my review of Kliqqo. I hope you got some value from this. I hope it was interesting and helped you make your decision. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And this is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you very much.